Biramba, Mioi, Tara Mangagi, obituary reference the Ayaku Sarukya Bagi, Tanzapi Bugirung, the Honorable Speaker Bu Tagatsari, Sir Mioi Tara Mangagi, MLA Sida Ayaki, Saitigi, Show the Kurambagalina, Imunum to the Santi Doina, Lainanaba, Lugaimu Manunguda, Sigi lost sea, Tingnabung Amdana Betamakta, short of Kuramzari. So, the members Kiana, they give a thanks the Yamna make saying the Karito Virambano Habadu, Yamek saying that Tambigre. So I have a constituency. Hana member with Biramba, late Sri Enam Lokhongi, Matang Desas, particularly specifically, I think is the point. American Tanzagasa. So, Enam Lokhon, Ayagam Pabung and Kawi, Yamna, veteran politician, I remember in 1980s, Tegi Horaga, almost 20 years, Yamna active politics, the Laina. Manipuri Prasagi the Bhakta Seva Biramba Mio Manis. Mahaki Sahi, it's almost 90 plus 92, 93 years the Mahangalegi Devasi. So Sri Henam Lokhonzi, Tamaki Pukenozi, Nambol Ladies Girls Higher Secondary Schools, the Maxi lecturer in Hauraga, Ona, she resigned to Raga Max active politics, Sangaba Matung Zida. So, Contosom Assembly constituency, Marirak Karaga, Prasagi Demakta, Seva Kabungamki, Ahan Bahau Deputy Speaker in Hauraga Magna, Department Kagi, lead Taugunam, as Minister, Maru, Department Kya lead Tauguna, government to the Yaubisa. So, Mahak, I active politics, the young ring at the Haunai, Yagmasi, Luina Begit and Zapan Zagisa, Magna political, electoral politics, the retire, Matuman say, Yamak Pakanzida, Ayak, Mark Wadum, Unavasaki, Taminadana, Wari Sadan, Sanadana, political life, Maki Wari Libidana, as a politician, as an elected representative, Karikari Togudobuno. Haibudokia Takiduna, Loga governance Kimatanga, Adum, Warisan, the Mamunda, Adum, Maga Wet Pamina Basapa, governance, some Amazon politics, Kiwaris, Adum, Saduna, Mamunda, is knowledge, yeah, Pangmungam Zigisa, Loga Mahak Kuzik, Lake Dreba, Matum Zida, the Maya Maga family, the Maya, Tengaduna, the Warisari, the Mahaki, Mahak Tobiramba. When some came to Katanatana, Manipuri to Biramba, Abu Mayam Ningsing, Badayamna, Haganing Inisa, Aruna, on Opegi, Sri Babung, and Amlo Kona Legi, the Bazida. I had Maki family, who strength, being in a bit of the Shoga Mukhanai, Kuramzari, Lugamaki, Atma. Santi, Lena Bidamukta, Yakuram Zarisa, look a Loina, Akwegi Handaki present, Akwegi Hosi was the key term Zida, like Biramba, Kwegi Yamba, Ani Avatare, Kwegi Bogzagin Baltega, Akwegi Kaisiga, Yam Nagnana, how to term the Gi, Adum Nagnana Leminaramba Mayam, the Kweg House, the city, Akweg almost a member of the Yankee Nipan. Jina kwe social moy minister ngri moy participation moy na kwe da madum yam na nungsina na kwe leminaram ba adu moy kani ti na moy na legi da basida sorry short of kramzari sa ape duga mukan na sa ape ki yoy tara mangangi family sida shorna my strength, people we always know how to guys why this weekend take us honorable speaker with her. Sorry, thank you.
Mathanda, honorable member